Alright boys, we're back on the video. Today we're starting the Bodywork on a 300. Got my buddy Raven here, the Bodywork guy. You know, he got his little grinder there. You know, so he's gonna start getting busy. He's getting busy right now, actually. So he's gonna start getting the bodywork done, start working on it, and then we'll put you guys in a little bit of a time lapse to watch what he's doing, step by step, so we can do. I'll try to get some better light too. So we're getting started now. Here we go. All right, boys, a little update. This is the progress so far on the 300. My buddy's doing his thing, knocking it down, doing what we got to do. But I'm so glad that the bodywork is finally started. Like, it's such like a relief that this car is finally getting straightened out. I can't wait just to see it when it's done, you know. But this is just, oh man, what a good day today is. I can't wait to see it when it's done too, you know, be good to go. We're just on this one side so far, but we're gonna work our way around the back next, get some filler going, grind some more, and I'll update you guys shortly.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright guys, we're back. It's a couple days later here. Next weekend actually. Raven came back, he's over there doing his thing. Getting busy. I'm over here messing around with the Evo that won't start. But Raven's here. Getting busy on his thing. The air compressor's going. Yeah. So we're working on this today. We got some updates when he stops. Tell you guys what's going on.
What am I gonna explain?
Alright, Raven, tell what we're doing here.
So I'm scuffing the panel down after I repaired it, and when I put my primer, that way it can adhesion to the body, I have to scuff this. So if it's shiny and I put primer on it, it'll lift, and then it won't stick and it'll make it bad. So I'm just cleaning the panel down, taping it up, protecting what I'm not gonna put primer.
Right.
And
Well, the reason why this is wrapped up is because we're not painting that with primer.
that's right. I'm not putting primer on it.
Right,
so
we're going to paint it, we're going to remove it.
whatever I'm not putting primer on, I'm protecting and covering.
Right. So, that's where we're at. So we're going to prime the whole door, basically?
Yes, right now we are priming the whole door.
Yeah, buddy. At least somebody here knows what the hell they're doing, because it ain't me. If you want a motor put in, let me know. But I'm going to paint the car, I can't do it.
Don't worry, I'll call you for services very soon.
Alright guys, that's where we're at now, and Raven's going to keep going. We'll get back to another update in a little while. Alright guys, we're back. Another part of the video. This is another day after the last time I said it's another day. I'm making one long video of all the bodywork and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna make like 4 different videos just bodywork. I'm gonna take one, this is gonna be the only video basically showing the steps of the bodywork. So that's where we're at so far. Raven's doing his thing. Oh, you're hanging out. Oh shit, I'm stepping on shit. Don't laugh at me either now. But the fender's on order. The fenders will be here this week, they said. Okay. So, you know. Brand new.
Great.
135 ship. 140 ship, 145. So, you know, we're gonna replace the fender. And then when we get the car to the paint booth, me and Raven are like, you know, take all the side skirts off and, you know, the mirror. I'm gonna repaint the mirror caps and stuff like that. So that's where we're at for right now. Like I said, I'm gonna do one long video of just body repair. And then the next video that I make is probably gonna be like in the paint booth. Like I said, I don't wanna make 5 videos of the car being parked in my garage with Raven grinding on it, you know? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pick up where we left off last time, just finish this side of the car, and then another couple weeks we'll be in the booth, you know? So, all right, so here we go. All right, guys, it's been a little while. Ray, what do we got going on here? Got the icing on here?
Got icing right here. Icing here, here, and here. Which means that after I sand this, it's ready for primer. This, however, I still have low spot, so I put body filler here, and there because it didn't feel right.
Yep.
So making sure we get this thing straight so that when it's painted, it looks mint.
And the paint booth is ready.
Yeah.
The paint booth is ready to go.
The paint booth approval is ready.
No, we got the approval.
Oh.
You said we got the approval.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready to go.
And the trunk is looking good.
That's ready for primer.
Primer, yeah.
Oh.
What you got there? The breakfast of champions?
Need a snack break. I'm hungry.
Got the munchies.
No, I'll smoke though. I'll smoke.
These
yes, I do have munchies.
Yeah, so these spots are all we're getting there, little by little. We're getting there.
We'll get there.
The other side's ready. The other side's primered. You know,
It's all primered. Just gotta sand it.
Sand it down. And you were saying when we get to the booth, you would just pull right in. We're ready to go. I mean, we gotta scuff down the rest of the car like with the. What do you say? You got these pads here, right?
Yeah, red scuff pads.
The red scuff pads. Scuff the whole car down. Tape up the windows, the trim, remove the belt moldings.
Yep.
All kinds of good stuff.
That's right.
We put it in the downdraft booth.
Yep.
Heat it. Let the paint cure overnight.
Bake it.
That's it.
Ready to go.
And then, once that's all squared away,
We'll wet sand it, and then we'll buff it.
we'll buff it. And then, put the HELLCAT stickers on the car.
Yeah, that'll be nice.
Yeah. That one and this goes on the trunk. The other ones go on the fenders.
Okay.
And I got the spoiler over there for the trunk too.
Nice.
So, we're getting there.
That one will have to bake.
No, that spoiler's, yeah.
I could sand it and then re-clear it.
That'd be good
Get
too.
extra clear on it.
Yep. That will do. But man, I can't wait till the car's done.
Okay.
And we're gonna paint the mirror caps too.
Yeah.
Those things are cheap. We'll
Yeah,
take the mirrors
there
off
you
and
go.
paint the car. You know, so. But Raven's working his butt off. We're getting there. So that's the update for now. We'll do a little bit more time lapse and close this video out for today and post it up. All right, guys, that's it for this week's video. It got late on us. Got dark out. Raven left. Car's outside, putting away. Got to put it in the park in the garage. But that's it for this week's video. That's all we got. Got dark out quick. So car's right there. So next week we'll try and work on the body some more. Although I might take a week off from doing the HELLCAT next week and do a different project. See what happens. See how it goes. So that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you guys next time.